Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can download and sign up for Webcomics. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Play Store on your Android device and your App Store on your iOS, and simply go ahead and search for Webcomics. And finally, once you have done that, you're gonna simply go ahead and tap on the install button. Finally, it's going to go ahead and download and install the webcomic app on your phone. Once it has downloaded and installed, you want to simply go ahead and open your webcomics application. And finally, you're going to be on this page right over here, which is going to simply go ahead and sign you up. All you have to do is go ahead and enter your birth year first of all. Once you have entered that, tap on confirm and then choose what you prefer, either action and fantasy or romance and drama. I'm going to go ahead and choose action and fantasy and simply tap on start. And you're going to be on this page right over here, where on the bottom right you want to tap on profile, and you want to simply tap on the login button on the top right. And over here, as you can see, you want to simply tap on login with email. And over here there are two options that will pop up: sign up and login. So simply on the sign up tab, go ahead and enter your email on top, enter your password right over here, retype your password, and simply tap on sign up and your account will be made. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.